Introducing the K8 Pro, our first ever QMK wireless mechanical keyboard that supports QMK and VIA right out of the box. The K8 Pro is completely revolutionizing the typing experience from the inside out. The new double-shot OSA profile PBT keycaps add more comfortability and thought feel. The double-shot PBT keycaps prevent the legends from fading out and the keycap surfaces from oil-greasy shine. Internally, the newly upgraded bottom acoustic silicone pad, PCB mount stabilizers, and sound-absorbing foam provide each downstroke on the keyboard to have a much better typing sound. In addition to an outstanding tactile feel, the K8 Pro supports VIA key configuration to allow you to have the capability to fully customize and program each key on the keyboard much easier. With its Bluetooth 5.1 wireless connectivity, enjoy a stable and smooth wireless experience with up to 3 devices simultaneously. The K8 Pro fully supports Mac OS function keys and also Windows layout. You can even adjust the keyboard to your preferred angle with its ergonomically adjustable feet. Not to mention, it also has embedded south-facing RGB lights and hot swappable switch functions. With all of these premium features, the Keychron K8 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard will deliver an epic typing experience and optimize your productivity.
The Corsair K70 RGB TKL mechanical gaming keyboard offers pro-level performance powered by Corsair Axon Hyper processing technology, all within a compact 10-keyless form factor. On top of its space-saving form factor, the K70 RGB TKL has a detachable USB Type-C cable for portability and a dedicated tournament mode switch to make it competition ready. The tournament switch puts the K70 RGB TKL into a competition-compliant mode that changes backlighting to a single static color to reduce distractions, disables custom actions and macros to prevent accidental activation, and offers a basic standard keyboard profile. To enable tournament mode, flip the tournament switch to the right and an LED will light up red to show that tournament mode has been enabled. Then, flip up the switch cover to lock it into place to prevent accidental deactivation during competitive play. It's important to note that all IQ functionality and any onboard custom lighting effects or macros will be disabled when in tournament mode. During normal operation and when connected to a system or device that doesn't have IQ running, the K70 RGB TKL will be in hardware mode. When in hardware mode, you can switch between different onboard profiles you may have saved to the K70 RGB TKL by pressing the profile button. You can also toggle through different onboard lighting effects by holding down the function key and pressing keys 1 through 0.